Flash sales, unpacking the buzz. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a trendy phrase in the world of shopping, flash sale. Ever wondered what it means? Stick around as we unravel its meaning and use in the English language. A flash sale is a sale event, typically online, where products or services are offered at significantly reduced prices for a short period of time. The key element here is the limited time frame. It could last for just a few hours or a couple of days. The idea behind it is to create a sense of urgency among buyers, prompting them to make quick purchasing decisions. Flash sales are popular for a few reasons. 1. Limited stock. Often, there's a limited quantity of items available, adding to the urgency. If you don't grab it now, it might be gone. 2. Huge discounts. Who doesn't love a good deal? Flash sales often offer products at a fraction of their original price. 3. Exclusivity. Some flash sales are exclusive to members or subscribers, making them feel special. To get a better grasp, let's look at how flash sale can be used in everyday sentences. I got this beautiful dress during a flash sale on my favorite shopping website. Are you signed up for the newsletter? They often announce flash sales there. I missed the flash sale last night, and now the shoes I wanted are sold out. And that's a wrap on flash sales. Next time you come across this term, not only will you understand its meaning, but you might also be tempted to grab a few deals yourself. We hope this video helps shed light on this popular phrase. Happy shopping, and keep learning!